talk and do. When you talk and be, don't do Your Excellency,
distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I at this point respectfully invite to give his address and thereafter commission the Iyorchia internal roads, a promise keeper, the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, Life Venture.
He may do many ways,
Now, let me tell you this, I've been hearing a lot of things going on. I want to say it. Let the gods of Iyorchia hear me and hear me well. If I thought there are. But for the purpose of those who believe that there are, let them hear me now. And hear me very well. I'm an apostle of power shift. I'm an apostle of what? Power shift. I fought for it. I have no apologies to anybody. I said power must shift from the north to the south. I did not commit any anti-party. I fought for the unity of the country. Those of them at the national level in PDP committed anti-party. When people abandon the provisions of the constitution of their party that talks about zoning of elective and appointive offices, what is more anti-party than that? You that refuse to obey the constitution of your party, you, because of impunity, because you think you have the number, you refuse to obey the provisions of the constitution of your party. And we that say Nigeria must be one, Nigeria must be united, Nigeria must work as people, everybody have hope. Who committed anti-party? They are the ones who committed what? Anti-party. We have finished the first phase of the war. We are going to the second phase of the war. The second phase of the war, we must check out the buccaneers and vampires. We don't mind them. Don't mind them. We are going to chase them out of the party and take our party and rebuild our party. These people left our party in 2014, 2015. Our party lost. Again, they have come back. Our party have lost again. They've destroyed our party. We are going to chase them out of the party. They have no role to play for our party. I told them, agreement is agreement. Yendeba. They were going to arise television every morning, abusing me. I told them, be careful. Be careful. I want 3 of the Senate seats. We want 3 senators, 3 over. Ask them, did they win 3 over 3? You cannot win. I told them. They said they will conspire against me. Those who say they will conspire against me are those wearing black now. They never said it. Me, I'm wearing white, and they're wearing black. A biggie man, a biggie man. 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 We go, we don't never size. A biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man, a biggie man. Every day, arise. Don't arise again and talk Wike. Wike has won 3 over 2. Out of the 11 House of Reps that have been declared, even though we are not happy, we scored 9 over 11. The other 2 remaining, we will take it. It will be 11 over 13. We never try. Let them show the same in their own state now. the founders of the party. Where were they? I'm asking you now, where were you? Founders of the party. People who have nothing to contribute. You are blaming our next chairman. He did not follow guidelines. You didn't follow your own constitution. He who sees equity must come with clean hands. Look at them. Our next chairman, he didn't follow the guidelines. What you told us. Your constitution said this is what you do. Did you do it? No. Whatever you sow, you will reap. We go, my governor. You are wearing black. Let's go protest. Protest what? Fail. These were the same people who were bragging in their campaigns, in their meetings, that they would honor chairman and they keep Thomas with them. Now they are the same people now saying, honor chairman did not do well. Because they didn't call you, say you win. If the honor chairman has succumbed and called you, say, very good man. The man didn't call you, he's a bad man now. I've told you, because you want to fight rivers, you will fail. I told them, don't fight River State. They thought we were joking. I have declared before that this is God's state. Anybody who raises his hand against us will never survive it. And all those who plotted against us, the grave is there for them. If you like protest from here till tomorrow, you no go work. You don't fail. I told them we will prepare them. Didn't I say so?
Just a week, prepare them. Prepare them. Mr. Project, prepare them. Prepare them. Mr. Project, prepare them. Prepare them.
I have told them, if they like combine, come for governorship, you will fail. What did I say? They will fail. All how they are combined. In fact, I've told them, choose one person. Amongst all of them, we will fail you here. How many them? How many them? So don't bother fighting us, because what is in us is greater than what is in them. As a protesting, I just sat down. I took 140 years whiskey. I called some of my friends. I said, "Boy, sit down." Not gonna sit down. Open 40 years. And then I put television. See how you ready marching. All we are saying, they have become a labor union. They have become a students' union. All we are saying, chai. You are saying what? What are you saying? You have taken over the role of students' union. Aluta continue. That is what the party has called. Aluta continue. When the plot finish, come down and implement it here. Not be to talk there. Come. So please, go back. When you fail, tell your parents I didn't read well. That's why I failed. Impunity. You refuse any reconciliation. We gave you all the opportunities. You believe because there was a cabal in the presidency that will install you. So you didn't want to hear anybody again. How far? Cabal will work. if he didn't there, he didn't there.
As he dey sweet us,
He go dey pay them. As he dey pay them, Mama, he go sweet us. God gave you an opportunity on a platter of gold. Take. I'm not happy with the way this party is doing. Take it. He told God no. He went and took Satan's side. This was it to say where God said take. He ran away from God's side. He went to stay with Satan. Hey, you're enjoying with Satan now. Have you ever seen a child is born? His parents prepared everything, put for him to make him grow. He abandoned what the parents gave him. I'm not afraid. No, but I want to remind you what is going on. When you have a bad child, education is difficult to change a very, very bad child. What River State has forgotten for years, somebody has gone to reintroduce it. Simply because you think you can use that to win governorship election of this state. It's not possible. All of us know in River State, we have stayed peacefully with the Igbos. We have lived with them. 2 days ago, Rotoma Amechi went and brought something that would destroy the state. Of course he knows. The Igbos knows he's telling them lies. How can anybody bring about the issue of abandoned property again in this state now? Something that everybody has forgotten. We are living in peace, in harmony with our brothers and sisters. Because he wants to install Toyo coal. We two of them were prosecuting for taking $50 million from our account. And we are prosecuting them. They stole our money. And you say you cannot. Now you now call some few Igbo people. I don't even know who will even listen to you, that kind of thing. That you will return back what people have forgotten. And you see how smart he is. He said he would return it. You were governor for 8 years. Not so? He was governor for what? Did he do anything about it? Look at, no wonder he didn't pass well in university. No wonder. You were governor for 8 years. You lost the Igbos as you claim. You never talked about this. Now you are bringing somebody, said the person would do it. He didn't do it. You are too smart, man. Why didn't you do it yourself? You are now bringing somebody who cannot speak even Kalabari. You cannot even dance any Kalabari music. They say from Kalabari. You say, Amaji, you are half smart, you are not smart. You say you love the Igbos, but you supported Atiku. You supported Atiku for president, so. You refused to support Obi. You didn't know the Igbos then, you are supposed to support them. Look at. No wonder when he graduated from, after 20 years of reading law, he graduated from Base University. He went to the president. Mr. President, see my project I wrote. I acknowledge you there. Kai. My brother, project. I go acknowledge the president for my project. I cannot go. Mr. President, see the project. Kai. No, I don't know when I pass this. I don't understand how people complex. Is that the kind of person? You were minister for how many years? What did you do for the Igbos?